I'm starting this series on financial education to help educate people to be more financially savvy. If you have any questions, leave your comments below and I'll do my best to respond to all. I'm doing this video because a lot of people ask me, how can a company keep losing money and never go bankrupt? How can Tesla lose money every year and still be open for business? In this video, I'll explain how cash flow works and how a company like Tesla loses money for years and years, never going bankrupt. In 2014, Tesla lost 294 million. In 2015, Tesla lost 889 million. 2016, they lost 675 million. 2017, they lost 1.9 billion. And in 2018, they lost 976 million. That's a lot of money lost, and yet Tesla has avoided bankruptcy. The reason is cash. While they are losing money, they are never running out of cash. Imagine this, Tesla has a cash pile. Each time they make a sale, they add cash to the pile. Each time they spend money, cash is taken away. Any company including Tesla, the cash pile can never ever go to zero. If the cash pile goes to zero, the company is dead, super dead. Being bankrupt is not making a loss. Being bankrupt is out of cash. If you have enough cash in the bank, you can be comfortable running your business at a loss for quite a long time. To illustrate this, I'm going to use 3 women to represent cash flow. This woman has the power to give cash and take cash, depending on the situation. The first woman is the wife, and she represents cash from operations. Just like real life, the wife works hard. This is the cash from the core business. In the case of Tesla, Tesla has a 20% profit margin on each car they sell. However, they need to spend money paying bills. The cash they receive from selling the car minus the bills Tesla needs to pay is the cash flow from operations, the wife. In 2017, Tesla only needed to take 60.65 million from the wife. Despite a whopping 2.24 billion loss, $60 million is nothing. In 2018, although Tesla lost 1.06 billion, half as bad as 2017, the cash increased 2.1 billion. How is this possible? This is what I explained the next woman. I call this the nagger. The nagger represents the lenders in the form of financial institutions and shareholders. Naggers often like to make plenty of noise while watching the company's performance quarterly. If the company doesn't please the naggers will stop giving cash. This is Tesla's lifeline. The naggers are actually quite easy to please. As long as there's a growth story, a dream in their heads, it's a viable dream, these naggers will provide you the cash. If you look at companies like Uber, a company always losing money since day one. As long as there's a promise of a dream, naggers will always provide the funding as long as it sounds convincing. So this is how companies like Uber until now never go bankrupt. The third woman is the hottie, and she represents investment. Companies need to make investment to grow. In the case of Tesla, this is the biggest sucker. In 2017, Tesla spent $4 billion on investments and 2.32 billion in 2018. The art of managing company is very delicate. You need to keep cash flow balanced. If you take too much cash too often, your business is broke. If you produce too much cash, your business is inefficient. The ideal company is money from the wife to the hottie. Okay, that sounds wrong, but you get what I mean. Companies like Apple, Coca-Cola and McDonald's have much money flowing from the wife to the naggers. In the case of companies like Apple, Coke and McDonald's have so much money flowing from the wife to the naggers, which are the investors. This is not good for long-term growth as they do not know what to do with the money. So why won't Tesla run out of cash? The naggers are Tesla's lifeline. As long as these naggy keep giving, Tesla will never go bankrupt. So what does it take for these naggers to finally cut the lifeline? As long as the debt are being paid with interest and the capital market sees Tesla's story intact, they will never cut the lifeline. So you talk about debt. Tesla's debt is actually very good compared to its peers. So in US, there are 3 companies. Tesla has a $10 billion debt, Ford has a $154 billion debt, and GM, General Motors, has a $100 billion debt. Tesla is doing what I call the Microsoft move, burning a lot of money in a couple of years. but with the knowledge that they will get way more money in years to come. Tesla has proven its market with the highest customer satisfaction and extremely good value for its products. Bankruptcy is never the biggest worry anymore. The biggest worry will be keyman risk. Tesla needs Elon. The world needs Elon. So be safe, my friend. Although I stay half a globe away and my government is turning a blind eye to electrification, I'll probably never get to see you. So stay safe, my friend. If you like the contents of this video, do consider helping me smash the like button. It's going to help me a lot. I post every week, so not to miss out any of my videos, do consider owning that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.